I'm so grateful to Father because how he try to train us. When I think about it, he really trained us way harder than normal, suburban area people. He made tuna fishing, all this nasty stuff like chumming and fish guts everywhere. And we had to do it. It's not like we had a choice. It's just, actually all those experiences really are really so valuable when you think about them. Pushing us to do very hard things, being proud of us if we did hard things, challenge if we did things that really challenge our, who trained in those arts that really Father focused in on. You learn the values of encouraging yourself, working hard but not complaining, not being scared to use your body, not being scared of doing hard labor, not being scared of, confronting bad guys if you have to, or, defending yourself. And those kind of qualities and character are really, really important for Salvadors. Very, very important. Father was trying to push us into fish farming, which I know many of us are trying to do out here in different ways. Trying to get us to do like, okay, no, it's okay. And aquaponics and stuff like that. These different self-reliance arts. And when I think about it, Father really was always wanting us to be the pioneers of being self-reliant. Helping people find the different, methods to bring about Chinese growth. Father was not just a nature gazer, he was one that had dominion over nature and interacted with it, not just by looking at it and meditating on it or writing poems about it, but he involved himself with it. He engaged, he got down and dirty. He got the dirt time. He didn't just philosophize from a monastery. He got down and dirty. And that is a really, I think, such a precious gift that Christ has given us. King we know that Jesus did that too. Father returning Jesus did the same thing. He got down and dirty every time. He had Chenjungung Palace. He hated Chenjungung Palace. He called that Chongpeng ladies place. Chongpeng ladies. He wanted to always go to the the fishing grounds. Amazon jungle. I spent a lot of summers in the Amazon jungle. Can you believe that? I mean, that's ridiculous. Who spends their summers in the Amazon jungle? Oh, yeah, and my kids think their daddy's nuts. When I tell them we're going to do island survival, one of our adventures, we're going to come in the upcoming years, we're going to take a whole team out, 3 days of training with a specialized survival experts team. And then we're actually go into an island off the coast. It's off the coast of America. There's one island, and you can't take anything except for a knife. And you have to make fire. You have to construct. You have to secure water. You have to make shelters. We're going to do that adventure. That adventure's coming up. You know what I mean? I mean, but it's like they think their daddy's nuts when I'm talking about that kind of thing. We weren't doing that. We weren't doing it in a structured way like that. I mean, it's nice to have a structure so you know what you're doing. But Father just kind of plunged us in there in the Amazon jungle. We didn't know what the heck we were doing, running around, swimming in the lakes with crocodiles, the rivers with the stingrays on the bottom. They should have told us there were stingrays on the bottom before we were swimming in the rivers. It was totally idiotic, and by the grace of God, we didn't get killed. But it's like it's insane. So I personally enjoy it to be a little more structured and to have some explanation before I go into the dangerous ground. And we'll have that for the young people, that come with us and do that epigenetic unlocking. But no, when Father made us do all those kind of crazy things. Oh, when I think about it, it's like so, wow, I mean, what a tremendous, all we did as kids was just complain about it. But when if you actually, if you reflect on it, how valuable that is, it's so valuable. We didn't even know it, even though we're bitching and complaining. We still unlocked so many epigenetics that normal people only dreamed they could have. So that is like, that, when I reflect on it, I'm very, very grateful. The fact that Father pushed us to do those kind of things. And really, he forced us to do it.